everybody, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add new contact in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch open the application on your device and log in using your credentials. After that, go to the Settings tab which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on the Contacts section. After that, you will see a big button labeling Add New Contact. Or you can also see a person with a plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click any one of these buttons. Here you need to name the contact. After that, click on Add Address button. Here select the blockchain. After that, type in the address of the domain. Now click on Done button. After that, you need to click on Save button which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see your new added contact. To add multiple contacts, you will need to click on the person with plus icon and do the same following process for other contacts too. So that is how you can add new contact in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.